What's up guys? Jace here and YouTubers here, lol. And I'm going to show you how to join a server in Minecraft Pocket Edition. First you need to open your Minecraft Pocket Edition and wait and click Edit, External, put the server name Gangster Games that Pocket Server dot server dot net. What? sg.lb sg.net and click it. Okay, na enable. Just try again guys. Okay guys, see you in my next video, and please leave a comment and click the like and click the subscribe button and subscribe for more videos. See you guys in my next video. I hope you like it. I hope it works on you. See you guys. Bye.